Eswatini child, I cry for you. My heart bleeds for you. Your childhood has been stolen, taken by those who sweetly lie into your ignorant mind. They've recruited you to fulfill their own selfish desires due to your vulnerability and lack of knowledge. And clearly, you've lost your place. The educational foundation you were beginning to build has been exchanged for a box of matches. In burning down a start of a future of what you might have become, you also burnt part of your identity, as you are told who you are and what you are is not good enough. Don't try fix it or make something of it, but destroy it. Child, 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 my heart breaks for you. The wars and battles you engage in are not yours to fight. Sadly, the adults who are supposed to guide you and protect you are watching and cheering you on as you run havoc fighting for men whose children are enjoying empowerment of being your future boss as they are in the comfort of their foreign or private education. Did I say boss? Oh no. With your criminal record, for antisocial behavior at least, looting, stealing, you'd be lucky to be hired for anything. Child, ignorance is not bliss at all. Your lack of knowledge is causing you to slowly and surely perish. They've nicknamed you the lioness, yet still they made you go to hunt on your own. So unnatural in the lion kingdom. The thrills of a child soldier are too much to pass, but always lead to turmoil. You are left alone to lick your wounds if you are lucky enough not to lose your life on the battlefield. The lies of the enemy are sweet like honey, yet cheap syrup. The thief's melody sounds so sweet, thus blocking out any voice of reason, telling you your education is the prep work you require for what's ahead. So, for life's real education waits out there, out of the classroom you cheerfully burn today, outside the safety of the school gate. Darwin's survival of the fittest theory patiently awaits to judge your academic achievements. By now, you realize time has been in motion. The comfort of being a child is no more. Now, this is when you have become a pride and a lioness. Sadly, without any hunting skills. Oh no, your dreams are already fading fast, while running like a headless chicken, fighting battles and wars that are not yours to fight. Child, child, oh, I bleed for all those unfulfilled purposes for your lives that will be buried, never to be realized. Oh, Eswatini child, I cry for you.